Presenting the new Eureka Forbes LVac Voice Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. The box contains one remote, auto-charging dock, two sets of cleaning brushes, two microfiber cloths, one user manual and one HEPA filter. First, fix the brushes on the machine. Keep the auto dock station in such a place where there are no obstacles within 1 meter radius. And then turn on its power button. Install the EFL Forbes Robo app on your phone. Enter your email ID on the register page and tap on the security code. A security code will be sent to your email ID. Enter that code in the app. Then set your password. Check on privacy policy and tap on register. Tap on the add device button. You will see two devices. Select your model. Follow the instructions given on the screen. Press the Wi-Fi button on the Robo for 3 seconds and the Robo will start searching for your home Wi-Fi. Tap here when you complete the steps. On the Configure Network page, enter your Wi-Fi login and password. And connect the Robo device to the Wi-Fi. Then select your Robo device. Your Robo device will be connected and you can use it. On turning on the power button, Robo will scan the house and create a map of the entire house. Once the map is created, take the Robo to the auto dock station so that you can save the map that has been created. You can use all its functions through the given remote with ease. You can connect the Robo to Amazon Alexa as well. Download Amazon Alexa app on your phone. Then go to the Alexa app and log in with your Amazon ID and password. On the homepage of the Alexa app, tap on More. Then tap on Skills and Games. Tap on your skills and type EFL Forbes Robo in the search bar. From the search list, tap on EFL Forbes Robo. Then tap on Launch and select your Echo device. Tap on Settings and tap on Link Account. Now enter your EFL Forbes Robo app ID and password on the login screen. And tap on Link to your app account. Now your Robo is connected to Alexa and you can control your Robo with voice commands.
Alexa, ask Forbes Robo to start cleaning.
Its powerful suction helps clean the tiniest dry particles with ease. Wet mopping is ideal for spillage and everyday mopping. Just remove the water tank, add water, and attach the microfiber cloth. Its microfiber cloth mops sauce, wine and other spills and stains on the floor with ease. For stubborn stains, you can increase the speed of mopping from the app. This helps in getting rid of the stains with ease. With the help of room and target zoning, you can keep it from going to any unwanted places. If you have more than one floor in your house, through multi-floor mapping, the Robo can create up to 3 maps. No matter where you are, through the app, you can operate the Robo from outside your house as well. Its anti-fall sensors prevents it from falling off any high ground. The Robo reaches the most difficult corners of the house with ease. On full charge, it can clean continuously for 80 to 90 minutes. It easily cleans the dust and dirt accumulated in the corners of the house. Its sensors prevent it from colliding with obstacles and ensure smooth operation. It's designed to clean all types of surfaces, be it wooden, marble or carpet. On auto cleaning mode, the Robo cleans the house on its own. Turbo mode increases the power of the vacuum and brush to remove stubborn stains with ease. Eco cleaning mode will reduce the Robo's noise, but it will keep cleaning efficiently. When the battery is low, the Robo returns to the charging dock automatically. Once fully charged, it resumes its cleaning from the same place where it left. No matter the day or the time, you can schedule automated cleaning as per your convenience. Bring home the new Eureka Forbes LVac voice robotic vacuum cleaner and make time for things you love. It's very simple to clean the Robo. Just remove the dust tank and empty the waste. Clean the HEPA filter with the provided cleaning brushes. Clean the side and center brushes as well. Download Amazon Alexa app on your phone. Then go to the Alexa app and log in with your Amazon ID and password. After logging in, create a new profile on the Alexa app. On the homepage of the Alexa app, tap on Devices. Click Add Device and select your device. Press the button on the Alexa Echo for 5 seconds. On pressing it, an orange colored light will blink on the device. On the Alexa app, select your device. In a few seconds, your Echo device will be connected to your phone.